Hello guys, today we purchased Siska hair trimmer. Okay, we just see the demo now. So we just got it from Amazon. Okay, turn that side. So this is Amazon we got today. So in COVID time we can't go outside and do our haircut, right? So we plan to do it ourselves in at home. So that's what we made order in Amazon. So today we received that order and all in Hyderabad. So I just explain you the functioning and all. So yeah, we just will open the things. Yeah, open the. Yeah, how much you we purchased this one? We purchased at
Around 2,699 rupees.
so this is the sorry, how much?
2,699 rupees.
Yeah, 2000. If you see the amount and all, 2,699. Yeah, this in we ordered in Dammaiguda. We received in Dammaiguda. Okay. So let's go and see the equipment and all, how it functions. Okay, this is how it looks from the front side and back side. Okay, let's see the equipment now. Just what is that card? Yeah, if you see this card, this is a warranty card given by warranty. Show the guarantee. Show the warranty card. Yeah, this is the warranty card. We got it from Siska. So turn back side. So yeah, this is the warranty card. It has some terms and conditions. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So what is the other paper?
So this is the procedure.
This is the just we got this a normal one.
Procedure.
This what is this model is HB100, right?
Yes.
Show the back side. So yeah, this model is Siska Ultra Clip Hair Clipper HB100 is the model number. Okay, so if you want order, you can make a order using this model number and all. Okay, so show the what is that card inside the card. Yeah,
Just like something tag.
it's a tag given to the equipment. I mean the trimmer. Okay, this Siska card. Okay, it's nice. Okay, just go ahead with other things.
So there are some clips.
We got different types of we got different sizes of different sizes of haircut we can make by using these clips. Okay, so that is one. Yeah, how much is 4.6? If you see the number, this is a 4.6. Okay, I mean 4 to 6 inches. Okay, we can make use of, if you want, you can your hair to be 4 to 6 inches length. 4 to 6 mm, right, not inches, you can say. Okay, in that case you can use this this one. Okay, similarly we have other two. So this is for 7 to 9 mm. If you want haircut to be done in 7 to 8 mm, so you can use that one. This is for 10 to 12 mm. Okay, you can use when you want hair to be there in 10 to 12 mm, then you can go for this clip. Okay, yeah. So guys, just we will show the equipment now. Siska equipment, trimmer or clipper, we can say. Just show the equipment. Yeah, this is how this is awesome look we have in back side. Okay, awesome look. Siska model number and all, you can find it. So made in 19, right?
Yes.
2019, you can say clearly the model number and all. Okay, how? Yeah, this is the front view of a trimmer. Yeah, you can see by default you can get it for 3 mm, right? So
Yeah, by
where
default
is it?
It is.
Yeah, if you see, you can see the default size starts from 3 mm.
Yes.
If you want your haircut or whatever, you can use for this. You can use for this mustache and all. Okay, from the starts from 3 mm. Okay, and the other thing, this is the front look and silver coating and all. It's very good. View and all. If you see this, this is a, if you see 1.5, and you can adjust to 2.5. Okay, different sizes. It depends on the sizes you want. You can go for it. Okay, this is the default clip. You can get it from the default. This system. You can, if you want, you can remove, or you can use. If you want to change the other clip, you need to remove this clip. Okay. Yeah, but we can remove this one. By default, we got from system that equipment. Just remove this one from here. Okay, if you see this closely, you can see the hole here. Two sides you can find the holes. Similarly, whenever you are using the other clip, you want to, suppose you want to go for
10 to
12 mm haircut, then you need to remove the one which you got from the system, and then you need to put it like this. First you need to
yes.
Okay, first you need to get into the holes for one side, and other side you need to you need to keep into the other hole. Okay, in this way you can use this is on and off button.
Just on by
See,
default
by
100%.
it's only start and stop. So this is stop. Okay, this is 100. Now it's 100% charge. It is showing. You can see the number and percentage or all. When charges goes down, then we need to get it done, recharge and all, using the recharge equipment we have in the system given by the Syska. Okay, this is the stand. Okay, this is on and off, start and off. Okay, this is the you can see the stand here. Okay, it's a very good stand. You can see the charging port and all here. You can see the inside. You can see the charging port and all. Okay, yeah, 2 ports you can see, right, minus and plus. So similarly, how charging will do, I'll show you how the charging goes on. How the, yeah, just remove, show the charger first. So this is the charger, but if you see the charger, it's not a it's not a good one. It's an average one, but if you see the equipment, it's a very good color coating and all, but charger looks like it's a normal. We'll see how it works. Okay, charging and all. Just remove this one. Yeah, we just opened the charger now. Okay, now we'll see how the charging will do. Just we'll put it into. Yeah, just this is the charger port. Okay, now we need to put it to this way, the other side.
Yes.
Yeah, so this is how we put the charging port and all. So now we'll see how it will get charged. Just keep it inside. Yeah, we just put inside the charger this equipment, clipper. Okay, now we'll switch on the port. Okay, now let's switch on the port and see how. Yeah, right, see how this getting charged. So see, when it is getting charged, you can find the symbol like plug symbol. You can observe the plus symbol in red color. It means that it's getting charged. Okay, now it's 100% already charged, so no need to charge again. So we can switch off the right. Then once we switch off it, see, we don't find that red color symbol. Okay, now in this way you can recharge this Syska one. So I'll keep my feedback once I started using it. So till then, subscribe my channel, please do like it. Okay, thanks guys. I'll get back with the other video. Thanks. I'll give feedback on all in the next video. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.